Central idea of the poem. The central idea of the poem is the generation gap which occurs when the communication link between two generations breaks due to a mutual lack of understanding, tolerance and acceptance. The poem reveals an internal conflict that a father undergoes when his son grows up and possesses his own interests, ideas and perceptions. The unhappy father complains that he cannot understand his child despite having lived together for so many years in the same house. Instead of bonding together, they have drifted apart. The gap has resulted in non-communication and non-understanding of each other. If both of them decide to take a lead and are willing to forget and forgive, their relationship may improve. Respecting each other's differences is the only way out to diminish the distance between parents and children.
कविता का सार। इस कविता का केंद्रीय भाव पीढ़ी का वह अंतराल है जो तब उत्पन्न होता है जब दो पीढ़ियों के बीच पारस्परिक समझ, सहनशीलता और स्वीकृति की कमी है, कारण संवाद की कड़ी टूट जाती है। कविता एक आंतरिक द्वंद्व को दर्शाती है जिसे एक पिता तब महसूस करता है जब उसका बेटा बड़ा होता है और अपने स्वयं हितों, विचारों और धारणाओं को रखता है। दुखी पिता शिकायत करता है कि एक घर में बहुत सालों तक साथ रहने के बावजूद वह अपने बच्चे को समझ नहीं सकता एवं बंधन में बंधने के बजाय वे एक दूसरे से दूर हो गए। इस अंतराल का परिणाम संवाद का न होना और एक दूसरे को न समझ पाना है। यदि दोनों आगे बढ़ने का निश्चय करें और भूलना और माफ करना चाहें, तो उनका संबंध सुधर सकता है। एक दूसरे के मतभेदों का सम्मान करना ही अभिभावक और बच्चों के बीच की दूरी को समाप्त करने का एकमात्र विकल्प है।
1. I do not understand this child though we have lived together now in the same house for years. I know nothing of him, so try to build up a relationship from how he was when small. Reference: these lines have been taken from the poem Father to Son written by Elizabeth Fencing. Context: the given lines are written by the poet from a father's perspective who shares his feeling regarding his relationship with his son. He is suffering from the communication gap which results out of the generation gap.
प्रसंग दी गई पंक्तियों कवि द्वारा एक पिता के दृष्टिकोण से लिखी गई हैं, जो अपने पुत्र के साथ अपने संबंधों के बारे में अपनी भावनाओं को साझा करता है। वह संवाद की कमी, अभाव से पीड़ित है, जिसका कारण पीढ़ी का अंतराल है।
Explanation: the father unhappily reflects on his inability to understand his own son. They have been staying in the same house for years but, due to non-communication and a lack of understanding, both son and father are not able to understand each other. The father does not know much about his son's interests, likes or dislikes. Thus, he tried to build up the same kind of relationship as he used to have when his son was a little child. The father has now perhaps realized that there is a lack of understanding between his son and himself, and he wants to take measures so that their relationship improves.
व्याख्या: पिता दुखी होकर अपने बेटे को समझने की अपनी असमर्थता को व्यक्त करता है। वे कई वर्षों से एक घर में रह रहे हैं, लेकिन संवाद के न होने और आपसी समझ की कमी के कारण पुत्र और पिता दोनों एक दूसरे को समझने में समर्थ नहीं हैं। पिता अपने पुत्र की रुचियों, पसंद या नापसंद के बारे में अधिक नहीं जानता, इसलिए वह उसी प्रकार का संबंध बनाने का प्रयत्न करता है जो उसका अपने पुत्र से उस समय था जब वह छोटा बच्चा था। शायद पिता को अब यह अनुभव हो गया था कि उसके पुत्र और उसके बीच में आपसी समझ की कमी है और वह कुछ उपाय करना चाहता है जिससे उनका संबंध सुधर सके।
Yet have I killed. The seed I spent or sown it where the land is and none of mine. We speak like strangers, there's no sign of understanding in the air. This child is built to my design. Yet what he loves I cannot share. Reference: these lines have been taken from the poem Father to Son written by Elizabeth Fencing. Context: the father wants to have a relationship with his son who he thinks he cannot understand. He feels that even though they live in the same house, he does not know now anything able to do that about him. So he wonders how he will be.
प्रसंग पिता अपने पुत्र से संबंध बनाना चाहता है जिसे वह सोचता है कि वह समझ नहीं सकता। उस महसूस होता है कि यद्यपि वे एक घर में रहते हैं, वह उसके पुत्र के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता, इसलिए वह परेशान है कि वह ऐसा करने में कैसे समर्थ हो सकेगा।
Explanation: the father wonders whether it is he himself who is responsible for the failure of the relationship. The father feels that though the child is his tongue, but perhaps he lives in a world different from him. Both father and son behave like strangers. There is lack of understanding and a communication gap which makes them behave not like father and son but more like strangers. The father says that physically the child resembles him, but he does not appreciate what his son likes. Multiple choice questions. Question 1. What is the poem Father to Son about? A. Unsettling relationship between father and son. B. Father's old age. C. Son comparing him to his father. D. Father talking to son about his childhood. Answer: A. Unsettling relationship between father and son. Question 2. How old is the son when his father rants about his agony to his son? A. Teenager. B. Grown up. C. Child. D. Just became adult. Answer: B. Grown up. Question 3. Father tells him that although they have lived in the same house for years, he A. envy him. B. adore him. C. doesn't understand him. D. finds him cunning. A and S. C. doesn't understand him. Question 4. Why does the father use I in a line, the seed I spent or sown it where he was talking about communication gap? A. To acknowledge his role in the communication gap. B. To acknowledge himself. C. To let his son know his importance. D. To make him understand about him. Answer: A. To acknowledge his role in the communication gap. Question 5. What is the meaning of this child is built to my designs, yet what he loves I cannot share? A. His son looks like him and they share everything with each other. B. His son looks like him yet they don't have anything to share. C. His son doesn't look like him. D. Neither does his son looks like him nor he understand him. Answer: B. His son looks like him yet they do. Question 6. Since his son was prodigal, why does he want him to come back home? A. To make amends with him. B. To teach him a lesson. C. To give him money. D. None of these. Answer: A. To make amends with him. Question 7. Why was the father ready to forgive him? A. To let go of all the sorrows he had inside. B. To become a better person. C. To teach his son a lesson. D. To help his son. Answer: A. To let go of all the sorrows he had inside. Question 8. What does the son share about him understanding himself? A. He is at a point where he doesn't understand himself. B. He understands him so well. C. He don't want to think about it. D. He is very busy to think about understanding himself. Answer: A. He is at a point where he doesn't understand himself. Stanza for comprehension.
परीक्षा में पाठ्य पुस्तक से किसी भी पोएट्री के पाठों में से किसी भी पोअम का एक अंश स्टैंजा दिया जाता है तथा उस पर आधारित 3 प्रश्नों के उत्तर देने होते हैं। प्रत्येक के लिए 2 अंक निर्धारित किए गए हैं।
Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. I do not understand this child, though we have lived together now in the same house for years. I know nothing of him, so try to build up a relationship from how he was when small. Questions: I. Who are T and this child in the above lines? 2. What does the speaker complain about? 3. What does the speaker want? Answers: It refers to the father and this child refers to his son. 2. The speaker, i.e. the father, complains that he knows nothing about his son, though they have lived in the same house together for years. 3. The speaker, father, is trying to bridge the gap between him and his son. He wants to start a new relationship with his son. Yet have I killed the seed I spent, or sown it where the land is and none of mine. We speak like strangers, there's no sign of understanding in the air. This child is built to my design. Yet what he loves I cannot share. Reference: these lines have been taken from the poem Father to Son, written by Elizabeth Fencing.
संदर्भ: ये पंक्तियां एलिजाबेथ फेंसिंग द्वारा लिखी गई कविता ड्रे द एडह से ली गई हैं।
Questions: I. Why does the father feel that the seed was sown in the land that was not his? 2. What is wrong between father and son? 3. What is the father's problem? Answers: I. The father feels that the son does not share any of the behavioral characteristics of his father, though physically he resembles him. 2. Father and son behave like strangers and do not share any common likes or dislikes. There is total absence of understanding between these two people. 3. The father's problem is that his son is getting away from him both physically and emotionally. There is no understanding between them, no consensus on any issue. Silence surrounds us. I would have him prodigal, returning to his father's house, the home he knew, rather than see him make and move his world. I would forgive him too, shaping from sorrow a new love. Questions: I explain. Silence surrounds us. 2. What is the father's painful realization? 2. When does the father ready to make compromise with his son? Answers: the situation has become so bad between the father and the son that they behave like strangers. They are clearly not on talking terms. Thus, silence surrounds them. 2. The father's painful realization is that he has no more interaction with his son. 3. The father is ready to compromise with his erring son if he returns to his house. Father and son, we both must live on the same globe and the same land, he speaks, I cannot understand. Myself, why anger grows from grief. We each put out an empty hand, longing for something to forgive. Questions: I. How does the father feel when his relationship with his son comes under strain? 2. What could be the cause of their distancing from each other? 3. What is the ideal situation in a family? Answers. I. The father is sad and somewhat irritated at the strained relationship with his son. 2. The cause of the growing gap between the father and his son is lack of understanding. Both need each other, yet they grow apart because of their ego problem. 3. The ideal situation in a family is that father should understand the aspirations and dreams of his young son, and the son should not forget the emotional needs of his father.
वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। कई बच्चे वीडियो को लाइक नहीं कर रहे हैं और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं किया है कई बच्चों ने, इसलिए वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ओके, थैंक यू।